Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve the assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 6 guided project 6 to 3. Basically it is the 6th chapter of 2021. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students many times and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number and my email given on the screen, and also you can watch in the description of this video. So it is the so our title is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 6 guided project 6 to 3. So basically this assignment consists of 14 step. I can do this assignment step by step and you can learn this assignment by watching my video. So our first step is open the file. If workbook open in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instruction and save it. So in this tab we open the Excel file. So I have already opened the Excel file. So step number 1 is completed. So in this step number 2, it is saying that calculate the number of shipment days. So in this tab we calculate the number of shipment days. So here is the formula. We put select the shipment type worksheet tab and select cell D5. So in this tab we select the shipment time worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select shipment time worksheet and select cell D5 and select cell D5. D5 is this one. We select it, and the rates in the sheets are volatile because they are determined using the toDate function in cell B5. So B5 is given date. So today date is 6 and then we put formula type is equal to and select cell C5. So select D5 type is equal to and select C5 and type a minus sign, select cell B5 and press enter. The first shipment requires 4 days and type minus sign and select B5, press enter. So our result is 4. The first shipment requires 4 days. So our step number 2 is completed. In the step number 3, it is saying that use the text function to display the days of the week. So in this step we should use text function to display the days of the week. So select cell E5, go on our Excel worksheet and select cell E5, click the text button and choose text. So in the worksheet we go on our formulas and in the text we use which function? Text function. In the text we use text function, this one, and select cell C5 for the value argument. Select cell C5 so value argument is C5 and format text is, click the format text arrangement box, this one, and type DDD to spell out the day's name. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4. Click OK. So our step number 3 is completed. It is also saying that select cell D5 to E5 and double click the wheel pointer. So select the and fill pointer. So our step number 3 is completed. So in this step number 4, evaluate formula with error triangle. So in this step we evaluate formula with error triangle. So in the first it is saying that select cell C10. So we select cell C10, this one, and click the trace error button. The error is inconsistent with other in the column. So in this we error checking, here we trace error. So it is not trace command used. And click the evaluate formula button. Now click the evaluate formula button. So here is the evaluate formula button, and click evaluate in the dialog box. The date in cell B10 evaluate to the its series. So we choose evaluate formula and click evaluate again. The result is the date in cell C10. So we again select and click close. So we close this one and again select cell C10 and click trace error. So again select cell C10 and here is error checking, trace error, and select ignore error. So we select it, ignore error, and ignore the error in cell C12, C28 and C35. C12, ignore error, here, ignore error, here also, ignore error. So step number 4 is completed. So in this step number 5, what is asking? Next X match and index to display quantity. So in this step we use two functions to display quantity. So click the inventory sheet tab and select cell A3 to H50. So in this step we click the inventory sheet. So we're gonna add Excel worksheet and inventory sheet and A3 to H50. So select A3 to H50. We select it and name the range inventory. So copy the inventory name and here we use inventory as a range name. Select K5 and type WE006. copy this one, select cell K5, this one K5 and put it. Select cell K6, click the lookup and reference pattern and choose index. So in this step we add index formula in cell K6. So we go on our Excel worksheet. Here is the K6 and lookup and reference, and here we use index formula. What type of index? Select the first argument, list, array, row, column, row number, column number, and click OK. So here is array, row number and column number. Now press F3 and select inventory for array argument. So array argument is inventory. Inventory is array argument. As array argument, and click row number box and click name box. Drop down row, choose X in the list or choose more of function to find Xmax. So in this we use Xmax function. So here is inventory. Inventory Xmax K5 K5 A3 to A50, K5 A3 to A50. And use column number as match quantity A3 to A3. Here A3 to A50, and here we use X match quantity A3 to A3. step number 5 is completed. I have done 5 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 11 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email. My WhatsApp number and my email is given on the screen and also given in this video.